Hi, my name is Esther and I'm with Tyson Properties. We are at 10916 Snowbird in Northwest Albuquerque. I'm going to give you a tour of this home today. It is 2,000 square feet, a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. We're going to enter into the front greet room, and we have our living room and dining room and kitchen downstairs, and then upstairs we have all 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the laundry room. Over here is the greet room, the front room. It does feature a nice ceiling fan. And we have a little hall here that goes into the kitchen. We've got our pantry right here. This kitchen is a very nice open kitchen with plenty of cabinet space and does feature all major appliances, and that does include a gas range. And then we have our dining area that leads into the living room. I'm going to give you one more view of the kitchen. Here's our living room with a ceiling fan and very nice wood ceiling. This is our backyard, very nice backyard. Okay, we're going to head back inside and take a look at the rest of the home. There's the front door again. Here's our half bath. And we're going to take a quick look at the garage. It's a 2-car garage, but we've got a nice work area right here in the back. Okay, now let's head upstairs. I hope you're enjoying this video. For more information about renting this home or any homes available, please visit us online at tysonproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 505-323-2104. Over here to the right, we have our master bedroom, which does feature a ceiling fan. And then we've got the back door leading out to the back patio or balcony. Over here we've got our master bathroom. We've got dual sinks, a private room for the commode, a nice large walk-in closet, then we have a standalone shower as well as a nice garden tub. There's a nice hall closet. Here's our second bedroom. Also features a ceiling fan. There's the closet. And then we have our third bedroom. The ceiling fan as well. There's the closet. And here's our laundry room. It's nice when it's located upstairs with all the bedrooms. And then we have our second full bath. Also with dual sinks. And that does conclude our tour today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please contact us for more information. Thank you.